Word of the day, quiz part 3. Instructions: choose the best answer for each question. 1. If someone refuses to answer a question because it might get them into trouble, they are A. Reverse an appeal, B. Plead the fifth, C. Hit home, D. Self-effacing. The answer is B. Plead the fifth. 2. When a higher court cancels or overturns a previous decision, eat. A. Comes to terms, B. Weathers the storms, C. Reverses an appeal, D. Is inconspicuous. The answer is C. Reverses an appeal. 3. Someone who is modest and doesn't like to show off their achievements is self-effacing, B. Inconspicuous, C. Hit home, D. Plead the fifth. The answer is A. Self-effacing. 4. Something or someone that blends in and doesn't attract attention is A. Self-effacing, B. Inconspicuous, C. Come to terms, D. Weather the storm. The answer is B. Inconspicuous. 5. When you finally accept a difficult situation and understand it, you A. Hit home, B. Come to terms, C. Plead the fifth, D. Reverse an appeal. The answer is B. Come to terms. 6. A phrase that means getting through a tough situation successfully is A. Hit home, B. Reverse an appeal, C. Weather the storm, D. Self-effacing. The answer is C. Weather the storm. 7. When something emotionally affects you or makes you understand a point deeply, it A. Hits home, B. Pleads the fifth, C. Comes to terms, D. Is inconspicuous. The answer is A. Hits home. 8. Which phrase could you use if someone wants to avoid answering a tricky question in a fun or playful way? A. Plead the fifth, B. Come to terms, C. Weather the storm, D. Self-effacing. The answer is A. Plead the fifth. 9. After a big mistake, learning to accept it and move on means you A. Reverse an appeal, B. Hit home, C. Come to terms, D. Weather the storm. The answer is C. Come to terms. 10. Which expression best fits this situation? Even though the project faced many obstacles, the team kept going and succeeded? A. Reverse an appeal, B. Weather the storm, C. Plead the fifth, D. Self-effacing. The answer is B. Weather the storm. Very good, keep it up.